Hi guys, welcome to Dev Multiverse. Today we will exploring Agile methodology, not with boring jargon, but through the lens of something we all love, making movies. Think of Agile like a filmmaking. Instead of building software in one long shot, we work scene by scene, adapting, collaborating, and refining along the way. Just like a movie director checks its scene before moving on. Agile delivers in short, meaningful sprints. So let's meet the cast, the product owners. They are like producers, setting the vision, budget, and the storyline. Scrum Master, basically they are director, making sure the shoot stays on track. And the developers, they are your cast and crew, turning the vision into reality. And who funds it? The stakeholder, your studio. Executes, giving feedback and green lighting progress. Each sprint is a scheduled shoot. We start with the script, aka backlog. Then we plan the next sprint planning. Each day we check in with the crew. That's called daily standards. We shoot, that's development. Then we watch the daily's sprint review. And finally we look back at what worked, then in perspective. Then it's on to the next scene. Just like in movies, sometimes you need to rewrite a scene mid-production. Agile gives you that flexibility. It keeps the whole crew unseen. It's transparency. Viewers' feedback, that's a real-time improvement. And just like great films are team efforts, Agile empowers everyone to shine. Agile is not just a framework, it's your storytelling tool. Each sprint is the same, each feature is a plot twist, and your team, they are co-directors of success. If you enjoyed the behind the scenes, look at the Agile, hit the subscribe and drop the comment. Want to see more tech explained through real life analogies? Let us know. Thank you for watching Dev Multiverse. Until next time, keep building, keep creating.